Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to work with object destructuring in JavaScript. Okay, so let's start. So I have an object I created for this to understand object destructuring, and there is some properties like first name, last name, city, and siblings, sisters, and old name Priya. Okay, so let's see how it works before ES6, then we will see after ES6. Okay, so you can say it is like conventional method before ES6, how destructuring works. Okay, so let's see. Like we have to name like write like the first name and object, like I'm taking a variable like new name, new first name equal to object dot first name, and I'm taking another variable like new last name and taking from object dot last name. Okay, now I can print both of this name on console, new first name and new last name. So you can see the before it, so you can see how we can, by destructuring, we can take the first name and last name from an object, like it is Amit Kumar. First name is Amit and second name is Kumar. Okay, so how we destructure destructure works before ES6 like conventional method, but now how we can achieve this by destructuring after ES6. So you can now let's see. I am destructuring it. New like I have to change the name, new name, and new. Okay, let's write it again, new first name and new last name, and I'm taking directly the object I can take, and I can print both of this name directly, new first name and new last name. Okay, oh sorry, it's not working. Let me check. It is undefined new first name and new last name. Oh, I'm really sorry. I have to match it exactly the name. So we are not doing storing in any constant like we did before here, new first name. So we can take it directly, first name and last name. Okay, and then we can print it in console, new name and first name. Okay, you can see. So how it was work before ES6 and how it's work right now after ES6. Okay, so we can also take it like one level deep. So for siblings, I can also destructure it, siblings, and now sister. Okay, so now I can print sister. Okay, so you can see I can directly take the sisters, and I can also destructure it one level deep. So you can see the third one is coming from the line, second console is coming from the line 25, and from the first name is Amit and second name and last name is Kumar, and sibling name is sibling is sister, and we can print the sister name, old name, this object as an object Priya. Okay, so let's see, we can also destructure it, like old name. Okay, and so we have to print here, we have to write here old name, not sister. We also destructure it. Okay, now you can see how was destructuring so much powerful. After year 6, we can directly take old Amit Kumar and her sister's name, or sister's old name is Priya by destructuring. Okay, so I hope you understand this. We can directly destructure it without we have to write like the old object dot first name, object dot last name. Okay, so one level deep I can show you by conventional method. Const new sibling. Okay, and we can write like, we have to write object dot siblings dot sister dot old name. Then we have to print it in console new sibling. So you can see how it how we can do this with 1 or 2 or 3 level deep before year 6. So we have Priya as a new sibling. Okay, but in after year 6 we can restructure it. This becomes very handy or powerful while working with React, because destructuring is very helpful in React. You will see a lot of destructuring the code in React development. Okay, now let's see how it's work with functions. So I'm commenting all of this code, and now let's see how we can work destructuring in functions. So first function, I'm writing the name, my friend function name, and console.log. Okay, invoking the function and taking as a argument as a whole object, this object taking as a argument. Okay, and taking the parameter friend name. Okay, and we can like console.log, console it on friend's name dot first name. This is Amit. Okay, first name. You can see this is coming from a function. So what we did, we created a function and given the name of the function my friend, and invoke it, and taking as a argument as a whole object. You can see first name last name, we can take it as a argument. Then the parameter I said the first name, and I print it on console dot first name. This is how it was done before ES6. Okay, now we can do this after ES6 by destructuring much easier way. Okay, so let's see how it's work. I'm copying these functions again and commenting it out. Now let's see, we can write destructure it. So I'm creating const like a first name, and suppose I have to also take the city from, I am writing the parameter name is friend name. Okay, and console.log first name and city. Okay, so you can see Amit and Delhi. This is the first name and city is Delhi. So from an object we are taking as a argument as a whole object. Then by parameter we are destructuring the first name and city. Okay, and here orders does not matter. We can also take the last name destructure by destructuring last name, and you can see the last name and city. Order does not matter. So first name was Amit Kumar and last name sorry, first name is Amit, last name is Kumar, and third is city. City is Delhi. So you can see the destructuring does not sorry, order does not matter in the while destructuring. You can take any order. You can write write the first name, city, or last name in any order. But remember how it's going to print on console depends on which parameter or which first name or last name you are taking first or second. Okay, so you can change the order, but it does not affect the function. Okay, so but I'm going to teach you the one more simple and shorter way to do this. Okay, so now I'm creating a new function, new friend, and destructuring it right as a argument. Okay, let me complete the code, then I will tell you. And invoking the new friend and taking as argument as a whole object. Okay, so in whole object what I want to take is, suppose I want to take city and the first name. Okay, so I can destructure it, I can destructure it right on the object, like as you can see, first name and city. So directly I can print first name and city. You can see Amit and Delhi. Amit is the first name and city is the Delhi. Okay, so you can see how it is so much good, or you can say shorter method by using destructuring. I can take any kind of properties inside the object and destructure it and use it like the way I want. Okay, so I am making it little bit one level down to the mm, one, not making too much hard to two level deep. I'm making it all only one level deep, so I can tell you how it's work with destructuring, so it will not be so much confusing. So I suppose I want to take out the Priya name, the sister's name. Okay, so I can destructure it right away here, and I can write the sister. So I have to print it sister. Okay, you can see that Amit, Delhi, and Priya. So first name is Amit, city is Delhi, and sister is Priya. You can see the how restructuring is so much powerful. So it's very helpful while working with React. You will see a lot of code using restructuring in backend development or React development or any Java vanilla, or also with vanilla JavaScript. It's very helpful. So what kind of methods I taught you? This is was the first. This was the first. Sorry, I removed all of the code. Okay, so this was the first method. Method first, where I taught I teach you how to work or how to work with function using destructuring like the conventional method, or you can say before ES6. Then I teach you about how you can destructure the object, whole object, and take the properties, whatever kind of properties you want to take out from the object, and also you can directly destructure it as a parameter on the functions. Okay, so this was the method 2, and this is method third. So you will see you will see this or this method. You can say third method and second method are used a lot in React development or in backend development, but you will not see this types of restructuring nowadays in this code because it is old and when codes are too many large or too many codes, then writing the lot of repetitive codes becomes so much old fashioned, you can say. Okay, so I can tell you one more method by using arrow functions or arrow functions. It becomes more you can say very much becomes so much short. So like I am creating new const, mm, another friend. Okay, and I can restructure it right now. Suppose what I want to print city. Okay, I am restructuring the city. I am returning the console.log city. Okay, and another friend, I am invoking it and taking parameter as a whole object. So you can see how it is so much powerful with also with arrow functions. You can see the I just wanted to take the city from this object, and I can console.log it by destructuring directly on the console. I hope this video is helpful to understand the destructuring. This was the old conventional method to destructure, and this is the ES6 method to destructure. Okay, I hope you like this video and learn the object destructuring in JavaScript. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment. I will answer all of the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.